digital lamps and GSM systems in the marketplace around the world, as you know that. Okay.
Yes, I do know that. I know that we. Yes.
Okay.
My
And
name
more
is
than that,
Yes.
okay, this call is going from my handset to the antenna and goes to the processed on a transmit, and then it is sent out to the lady or whoever that person can be who are standing on the other cell sites. Okay. So it can be all cellular to cellular call, that what we are experiencing here. AT&T is a total systems provider for both GSM and DMS in the marketplace today.
Nokia to some of the operators, then the responsibility of providing service and the installation would be of the joint venture, which is with Wipro. So they would be responsible for the installation and the services.
How do you see the competition building up among all the players, international players and the Indian companies?
We welcome competition. I think it's a healthy sign. There are a lot of big players in the market today. I think the benefit is going to be going to the subscriber at the end of the day, where he has a choice of picking on the best of equipment at internationally global prices. So I think it's going to be healthy. There's a fair amount of education which needs to get to the marketplace about cellular and cellular technology itself, and I think all of us would have to play an important role in that. And I hope everybody does well. It's a big market and a tremendous amount of place for all of us.
Thank you.
Thanks.